Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Review. Today we're going to do another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review ice cream cart number 41389. It has 97 pieces. It is Lego Friends and it is 6+. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about ice cream carts. Let's open it up.
Pop it over there.
Yeah, you have to pop it. When you
pop it,
oh, you did something to it.
I need tape off.
No, there's no tape. You just popped it wrong.
I need to open it. Open it.
There we go. So this is bag 1. This is this piece. There's the instructions and bag 2. So yeah, that's the instructions.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get the dollars.
There's dollars. Oh, that's cents.
That's them.
Oh, there's even a cookie and a dog.
Let me get the dog.
His name is Dash. I saw it on the box. Okay, I'm gonna sort everything. Okay, where's the other wheel? Okay, so we take this and put it in. Okay. While you do that, I'll start this. Okay. Do you need help?
No, I don't need help.
Okay. Are you sure? Now, your job is to take this, and this, and you have to put it on. Yeah, I know, but there's only, but look. So you put it on like this, okay? Like that, okay? Do the rest. Okay, now we're going to make, take this, so now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives about ice cream set. So for the positives, there is a motorcycle, an ice cream cart, and a table and seats. So there's a lot to play with, and there are different types of ice cream. There's like a lot to play with for the ice cream and stuff. And lastly, the motorcycle can drive the cart, and there is Dash the dog. And for the negatives, there is no customer, but you can like take out like a customer or like a person from like another set, a Lego set. And there is only one table, but I mean, we don't really need that table, do we? And it is not a very large set, but it has a lot of ways to play with. So the real question is, would I buy it again? Yes, because all the negatives I just listed, I could fix, and some of them didn't even matter. So it really is a great set for fun and building and playing. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us.